believe this is RPI, Uncle Sam. 5 of 10 here, downtown Troy. You is my friend. Yeah, tried to come down here to do a good thing for my grandma, but the store's not open. She said 9 o'clock the store's gonna be open. Well, we got down here at 1:15, and it's not open. Wanted something at CVS. Hi. Good. But the CVS open today or what?
Yeah.
What time? 10? How do you get in? That door or the other door?
You can go in around the front over here. Go around the corner there, make your right.
They'll definitely be there?
Yeah, that's the front entrance right there, instead of going through the mall.
Yeah, my
I
grandma.
don't know what time they open the
My
door.
grandma said they wanted me to pick something up this morning, and she said they're open at 9. I got here at about 1:15, and I don't see them open yet.
Yeah, but there's their entrance right over there outside.
What are you doing today? Watching the baseball games? You are always my friend. Oh, look at this car coming. Ah! Like a ghost town on Sunday. Get your nails. Another Uncle Sam here. He's got things all written all over him though. CVR. Green Bay Packers. Packers. NFL football.